You know, Tommy Robinson has more courage than anyone I've ever met. Today, in the middle of his hearing, he held up a sign for the judges that read, "Marfleet's entire statement is lies," calling out the governor of Woodhill Prison, Nicola Marfleet, who he is at the mercy of. That takes a lot of brass. So Tommy, as usual, stood defiant in London's Royal Courts of Justice, appealing his 18-month contempt sentence, a vicious vendetta by a UK justice system that's hell-bent on crushing free speech. The case, rooted in his documentary exposing a Syrian refugee's story, saw Robinson branded a criminal for defying a court injunction. This isn't justice. It's a calculated assault on a man who dares to spotlight illegal immigration and Muslim grooming gangs, truths that elites smother. Robinson's barrister, Alistair Williamson KC, argued the original sentencing judge lacked critical evidence. A fresh 39-page psychological report diagnosing Robinson with PTSD and ADHD, which is worsened by 150 days in solitary confinement at HMP Woodhill Prison. Williamson slammed the 18-month term as excessive, noting its demonstrable effect on Robinson's mental health, unlike the outdated one-page letter the original judge saw. Williamson added, "It's an irony that had Tommy been sentenced as a criminal, he would have had available to him the reductions in sentence that are available to criminal convict." And he's referring to UK sentencing guidelines under the Criminal Justice Act of 2003, which allow up to 1/3 reductions for early guilty pleas in criminal cases, something unavailable for civil contempt, if you can believe it. The prosecution, led by the Solicitor General's lackeys, doubled down, claiming Robinson's breaches were deliberate, undermining court authority. They dismissed his mental health pleas entirely, insisting the sentence fits his flagrant defiance. In the end, the three judges, Carr, Edis, and Warby, adjourned, reserving their ruling for a few days to deliberate, leaving Robinson's fate hanging. But this is a political crucifixion. While illegals and predators roam, the system cages Robinson, strangling Britain's rights to truth. His fight is the fight of everyone who believes in free speech against a rotting judiciary protecting its sacred cows. Free Tommy Robinson now.